Hi boys and girls. All right, for math today, here are your skills that you're going to be working on. You're going to solve one-step addition and subtraction story problems with unknowns in all positions. You're going to fluently add and subtract within 20 using mental strategies. You're going to represent whole numbers, sums, and differences within 100 on a number line. You're going to make sense of problems and persevere in solving them. We have a growth mindset. You have a growth mindset. And when you challenge yourself, you will get smarter. And we will model with mathematics. All right. I have my number line up on the board. I step away. And there is a story problem. Today's all about modeling and solving story problems. I'm going to read the story problem, and then I'd like you to pause the video and use some strategies to help you solve them at home. The number one says, Kim picked 6 flowers. Alan picked 5 more flowers. How many flowers did they have in all? So I'm going to box my important information. Kim picked 6. Alan picked 5 more. How many flowers did they have in all? In all. That tells us we're going to add. If I were to use the number line with this problem, and if you would like to draw a number line on your paper from 1 to 20, that might help you at home. Kim picked 6 flowers. I'm going to start at the 6 on the number line. Alan picked 5 more. So I'm going to do my skip jump. And that is where I ended up. If you were to use your bead rack, which I know you don't have at home, but we have the digital one also. We start with 6. And you add 5 more. Well, there's only 4 here, so I have to add 1 underneath. Did I get the same thing? 11. Or I could use my number string that we just talked about yesterday with the groups of 5 all the way to 20 strung across. So we start with 6. And we add 5 more with 1 push. Is it the same answer? I see 10 and 1 more is 11. So if I were to write that equation out, it would look like this. 6 plus 5 equals 11. And the answer goes down here. Kim and Alan picked 11 flowers in all. All right. I'm going to pause the video so I can go move my paper, which is on the other side of the room. All right. Number 2 says, John baked 12 muffins. He ate 3 muffins for lunch. His sisters ate the rest of the muffins so that none were left. How many muffins did his sister eat? That's a lot of information. Do you know how we should start? Well, let's start by boxing out what we know. We know John baked 12 muffins. John ate 3 muffins. His sister ate the rest. And we don't know what that is. And we know that none are left. How many muffins did his sister eat? So we want to know what that rest is. How are you thinking of solving it at home? If I have my bead string and drew a picture of this, I could start with 12. I can see visually he had 12 muffins that he baked. John ate 3 of them, so I'm going to slide 3 beads. There they are. His sister ate the rest of the muffins so that none were left. So we have to slide the rest of them over to show that none are left. Well, what is that? How many is there left? I see 5 and 4 makes 9. Is that what you found? John's sister ate how many muffins? 9. If we were to draw a picture of this in a different way, maybe I'll start with my 12 muffins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I draw a picture with slashes. And I cross off the 3 that he ate. 1, 2, 3. Now I can see his sister ate the rest so that none were left. And I see 5 and 4. So 5 plus 4 equals 9. His sister ate 9 muffins. Okay, number 3. Alex found some seashells on the beach. His brother gave him 2 more shells. Now Alex has 9 shells for his collection. How many shells did Alex find at first? So if I box out the important information, Alex found some seashells. We don't know how many. His brother gave him 2 more. Now Alex has 9. So he found some in the beginning. His brother gave him 2. Now he has 9. If I were to represent that, I would look like this. Alex found some seashells. His brother gave him 2 more. More is a key word for adding. So we add 2. Now, that's a key word for the total. Now Alex has 9 in his collection. We have this as our unknown number. How are we going to solve it? Use a mental strategy to figure out what plus 2 equals 9. Or do the reverse equation. 9 minus 2 equals what? Have you figured it out? I'm going to use the number line this time. I know my total is 9. That is my total. What plus 2 equals 9? Where would I have to start from and then do a skip jump of 2 to get to 9? Well, I can skip jump 2 backwards or subtract going down the number line. So I'm going to take a skip jump of 2 this way. Where did I end up? That is right. 7. Does that work? Let's check it on our bead rack. 7. I'm sorry, our bead string. this is all new for Mrs. Ziegler. 7 plus 2 more equals 9. We were right. So Alex found 7 shells at first. Those are the key words. How many did he find at first? Not in all, at first. All right, good job. Okay, now boys and girls, we're going to end the lesson by doing a few mental problems using your mental strategies. There's no need to write these down, just to keep your brain fired up and to practice. Listen to the story problem and see if you can answer it quickly. Dan caught 7 fish in the morning and 6 fish in the afternoon. How many fish did Dan catch in all? If you said 13, you are right. The next one. Sasha had 12 oranges, but then she gave Patty 7 oranges. How many oranges does Sasha have now? If you said 5, you are correct. Let's try another one. Kate had 11 pencils. She gave some of her pencils to her friend. Now Kate has 5 pencils left. How many pencils did Kate give to her friend? If you said 6, good job. Let's do one more. Lulu rode her bike for 19 miles. Wow, you go, Lulu. Lulu rode her bike 12 more miles than Todd. Girl power. How many miles did Todd ride his bike? If you said 7, do a little happy dance because you are so smart. All right, good job practicing. If you didn't get any of those right, we're not going to worry about it because we have a growth mindset and we'll keep practicing. Now, the rest of your math today is included on our Seesaw class account, and there's 2 pages for you to work out some story problems on your own. Thank you so much for joining me.